Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Foxy Games account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Foxy Games login just like this. And after you search for Foxy Games login, the first option over here, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this page, which is the official website of Foxy Games. Now once you're in this page and the page is loaded up completely, what you want to do is at the top you can see login. What you want to do is click on it. Once you click on login, this box will pop up in your screen. And over here where it says email or user ID, you want to enter your email or your user ID. So I'm going to enter my email over here. And after you enter your email, what you want to do is where it says password, you want to enter the password of your account and click on login. Once you do that, you should be able to log in into your Foxy Games account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel 1 Step. I'll see you guys next time.